Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Chrome. Open History now using Ctrl+H or Chrome//History. Once the History page appears, make sure you're viewing the device or account you want. Synced accounts show combined results. Now move your focus to the search box at the top. That's where you'll filter by date. You don't need extensions. Chrome's built-in search supports date operators. Next, prepare the exact dates you want to search so you can enter them precisely. Now type the date operators into the History search box. After yimmdd before, yimmdd and press Enter. This returns items strictly after the first date and before the second, so adjust boundaries to include your target day. Once done, combine a keyword or site. Example, com to narrow results. That's useful if many pages appear. Make sure your dates use 4-digit years and hyphens. Chrome requires the yimmdd format. If results look sparse, expand the range slightly and search. You've filtered to the date range. Now review results and open important pages or check boxes to delete entries. If you need a record, copy visible items to a doc or use Google Takeout to export full history from your account. Make sure to sign into the same account and enable sync when exporting. If you can't find expected pages, check that sync is on and you search the correct profile. If history was cleared, recovery is unlikely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.